Flex directions is the first property that we will apply to the flex container. So the flex directions defines how a flexbox items are ordered within a flexbox container. So here I have added the background color for each boxes, and for the first one I gave it brown, the second one dark blue, and the third one dark cyan. Here, as you can see, this is the default behavior. Once I will add the flex direction row reverse, as you can see now, from left to right, and the last one is now the first one. We have also column, and as you can see, and we have also column reverse. The last one is now the first one. We have also the flex wrap property, which specifies whether flex items will wrap onto a new row inside the flex container. Here I will make this one row, and I will give it a flex wrap of wrap, and here I will resize it, and as you can see now, this one is in the new row. So this is the flex wrap, as you can see here, and it's really nice when we want to make the website responsive. We have the wrap, and we have also the no wrap. So if I do here, as you can see, it doesn't wrap once we added this no wrap here. So I will make it wrap. The justify content property defines how the browser distributes space between and around content items along the main axis of a flex container. So here in the flexbox structure, you can see that the main axis is the line which is from the left to the right, which is the horizontal line. The justify content has many values, and we will see each one of them. The flex start is the default behavior. We'll start with the flex end. So here I will do justify content flex end. Let's see the result. As you can see, is now changed from here to here. We have also the center, so the items will be in the center here. As you can see, we have also the space between. As you can see here, we have also the space around. Just like this, and last we have space evenly here. So this is the justify content. Next we will see the align items and also the align self properties.